Do you think it's difficult to learn to trade binary option? Have you lost a lot of money trading binary option? Have you done a lot of mistake trading binary option? Have you used martingale to try to fix your trades? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. I have made a robot that is trading Monday till Friday, and you can copy every single trades this pocket option robot do for you. Here you see it. This robot is basically trading 24/7, or no, not 7 because he's do not trade Saturday and Sunday, so you can say 24/5. It's actually a robot that trades exactly more or less the way I trade. When I do my live sessions, and I have done a lot of them, I have traded live for many years. Now recently I try to relax a little more, and I try to figure out other ways so it's easier for people, because I trade only 1 hour a day and people did not always have time to enter when I was trading. So I wanted a robot that trade more or less the same way I trade. And this robot actually trade better than I do. When I trade live, I keep the specific setups. This one keep the setup that is better than the one I'm using myself, but give less opportunities. So it's not so often you find it, but when you have a robot looking through 23 coins all the time for this specific one, you always find one at least 1 or 2 times minimum in each hour. And as you can see here now, he found one here. So here for New Zealand against Japanese yen, 15 minutes close. I could have chosen 1 minute, but then you would not have time to take the same trade like me. But when it's 15 minutes, you have a higher probability to get the same trade like this robot do. Okay, so let's check here now a little. Here you can see dollar against Japanese yen was a win. Okay, and here you can see the trade, and here can the win, and here is a win 1 time again, dollar against Japanese yen, and here was the trade again. So sometimes you can find it many times on the same coin, and you see that also when I was trading live. Some of my live sessions I was trading the same coin over and over again, because the setup, we were going in a sideways market where we found the trade many times. So that's amazing, and you can see he's winning and winning, and here win again, win again. Now this robot do not win, even it looks like it here. We do not have 100% win rate. The win rate will average around 75%. Sometimes you can come in a winning streak like you see here now, win, that's the only winners here now. But yeah, he will have losses. Sometimes we need to scroll a lot to find a loss. But yeah, he will have losses. But right now it looks like he's only winners, but that's not correct. You can even have 3 losses in a row, it's possible. So don't be disturbed that you come in and you suddenly get a loss, because yes, he can get a few losses also. So when you do 10 trades, he should have around 2 losses. But sometimes he can win like 15 in a row, and then suddenly can have a 3-5. I have only seen 3, but he can only have 5 in a row also, it's possible. The thing is, but when you do 100 trades, average should be like 75 wins. So this is completely for free. You find a link below the video, is the first link. So if you want to trade here, first link. And also, as you can see, I put these links here. So if you have pocket option account from before, but you don't have any money in it, the best thing you can do is to close it down, just reopen with a new email. Okay, then what you do, you deposit using this link, and you will get 50% extra automatically using this link, as long as you deposit more than $100. If you have a pocket option account from before and you basically just won't use it, completely fine, do that. And of course, if you don't have any account from before, make sure you use this one, because why not? It's a win-win. I get a little, I get my 4% of turnover. That means for every single trade you do, I get 4%. Okay, so this adds up very fast for me, and adds up for you also, as you get your 50%. And the thing is, I can then work on the robot, makes more fun for me. I don't get 4% of each trade you do, don't misunderstand correctly. It's much less than that. It will be like very little. I make cents. If you do $100 trade, for example, I make cents of a dollar, okay? Just so you have an idea. Okay, no, so I don't make 4%. I don't, that is wrong. I don't make $4 if you use $100, then I would be a millionaire, right? No, I make like maybe 4 cents. That's what I make. So, but for me also adds up, and if many do it and you're successful, this adds up very fast for me also, so it's make more fun for me, so I can develop the robot better, get better signals, and I will try to see if 5 minutes later can be better. But I think 15 is the magical spot, because it makes sure you have time. So even if you're 20 seconds slow to get a trade, you still should be able to get more or less the same trade. At least over 100 trades, you should have more or less the same win rate like you see the robot have. So that's the cool thing. So with that, have an amazing day. I really hope that you enjoy. And yeah, you will also see some other things here. My pocket option robot. You will see if you want signals for Forex, you find them here. And of course, if you want to start mining Bitcoin, because we're going into a bull run, so if you want to take advantage of that, then this is the only one of all cloud mining that actually works, that actually will not go away. So this is a good one, okay? So just some extra links for you. So have an amazing day, have an amazing Monday, and I'll see you on the next.